Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to talk about this Realme 7 Pro and I'm going to share my 1 month using experience, so it will be helpful for you if you are thinking about getting this phone. The design of Realme 7 Pro is really so good. You are getting a 2020 standard square shape camera design, and on the front 82.7% skin to body ratio and water splash resistant, and everything is really so good. And the display is 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display, so it's not so big and not so small either. And because of having this AMOLED skin, you are getting a vibrant look. And the back side is a plastic build, so that's a downside of the previous generation, but hey, that's the advantage too. Because of having a plastic back, you are getting literally a lighter weight smartphone, which is only 182 grams. So on the long time uses, you won't feel that kind of heavy on your hand. So definitely it's a friendly to use for a long time, especially if you are a person who game a lot. So definitely it's a good side. On the right you are getting a yellow accent power button, so that's a nice touch. And on the down you are getting a headphone jack. That's another amazing thing because of this mid-range device. On the left you are getting a volume button and a slot for SIM card and micro SD. Yes, you can increase your storage through micro SD. On the top there's just nothing like those Xiaomi IR blaster and anything. And it has a fingerprint, and it's in-display fingerprint. If you compare the design with the previous generation Realme 6 Pro, you don't miss or find that much upgraded. The display is slightly smaller, though it's just a number, but you can literally feel the differences. Because of this slightly smaller, it feels good on the hand comparing those Realme 6 Pro, because I am using Realme 6 Pro as my daily driver, and I really say that Realme 7 Pro feels good comparing to Realme 7 Pro, because Realme 7 Pro has a plastic bag and Realme 6 Pro has a glass bag, so it feels lighter. And also because of this little bit smaller skin, it feels even good, and sometimes it even I can manage using on-handed. It can be a reason to upgrade from Realme 6 Pro to Realme 7 Pro. Realme 7 Pro has a Snapdragon 720G processor and 8nm chipset, and the GPU is Adreno 618. It has exactly the same with Realme 6 Pro, so they didn't upgrade or any kind of things. It has two variants, which is 6GB or 8GB, and they both has the same storage option, which is 128GB. I'm using this device for the last 1 month, and I didn't find any kind of laggings or issues that can restrict you from gaming on this device. And I'm also uploading a video which will be only gaming on this device with higher end games, so definitely hit the subscribe and like button. Also hit the bell icon for the notification when I will upload that video. On the front it has 32 megapixel wide camera with EIS, and on the back you are getting a quad camera setup which is 64 megapixel wide camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro which is garbage, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. I don't know why they keep doing these 2 megapixel things. And though the camera megapixel and sensor is exactly the same with the previous generation, but they improved through their software and AI technology. These pictures you can see from sample, this has a really amazing sharpness and clarity with nice saturation, which is exactly the natural looking. So this is really so good. And the more features, that is that AI filters, with that you can get amazing pictures like this flamingo. This flamingo filter is amazing. I like this a lot. And not only that, you can also take pictures through this AI filter, and you can also make videos with this filter. So definitely these are amazing, though the sensor and other things are exactly the same. They only removes that telephoto lens from previous generation Realme 6 Pro, but you won't miss anything at all. Rather, you will get more features through software. Like you seen on Google Pixel, they can do so much amazing things with their software technology. That kind of things Realme puts here. You can get this amazing picture from this AI filter, and you can upload this on your social sites like Instagram. If you are a creator or influencer, this will be really amazing. It can be your gaming phone. At the same time, it can be a tools for your creating videos for your Instagram. So definitely this camera is worth another reason to upgrade from Realme 6 Pro or consider this from Xiaomi phone. This Realme 7 Pro has one of the best fast charging system you can ever find on any mid-range device. It has 65 watt fast charging system, which you will see on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21 device. And not only that, this kind of super dart fast charging system, this charger is included in the box. So definitely you are not missing like the iPhone 12 thing. So that's another good point. And you can juice up your full device from 0 to 100% within 34 minutes only, though it has a larger 4500 mAh battery, so you don't have to charge your device overnight anymore. This Realme 7 Pro is right now running on Realme UI 1, though Realme has announced that Realme 7 Pro is going to have Realme UI 2 so soon. At that, Realme UI 2 is going to have a lot more customization and more features, so definitely I can wait for that. Even this Realme UI 1 is amazing. It's almost to look like the stock vanilla Android, so I like stock Android a lot because of that. Has a less bloatware and amazing performance, even battery charger and battery smooth. It also has that kind of experience. The transition, the animation, everything is so smooth, though it is 60 Hz panel, but you won't miss anything at all. It also loaded with Google Apps, which is Google Phone and Messages, so that's another good point. And the bloatware, it's almost bloatware free. Only 4 to 5 apps is pre-installed, but even those apps you can uninstall if you want or need to. You can see that. I'm using this device for the last 1 month and I'm not facing any kind of this UI performance issue. This is really so smoothing experience you can get on this device. So I really like this device and I can easily use this device as my daily driver. Even if I come from Realme 6 Pro, which has a 19 Hz panel, but because of this animation and things, I can easily enjoy this device without facing any kind of issue. And not only that, because of having this AMOLED screen, I can get also always on display. And if you are familiar with this, you can know how useful this feature is, because you don't have to unlock your device every time to see if you have any notification or not. And on Realme UI 2, I'm getting more customization over this on always on display, and also in display fingerprint animation. Also Realme UI 2 has more animation, they already show that. It also has game space, so definitely it's amazing to giving boost to your game. It can also block calls and messages. Now let's talk about colors and accessories. When I bought this device in the market, there wasn't much accessories like case and everything, and the device comes with only blue and whitish look color. But if you don't like this blue or white color, these guys, Dead Pixel, got your back. They can turn your phone any color you want, and not only color, they can even make your phone back carbon fiber look or any color according to your choices customization. They can even write your name on it, so definitely check them out. I'll give the link in the description. So they are really amazing, you definitely should check this out. And also right now you can buy this kind of case which has a matte back design, so definitely it feels good because of this matte finish back. It also has a nice grip. You really feel amazing to hold your device through this. And you can also try their skin, but if you don't like skin, these cases are amazing. At last, I wanna say, after using this device 1 month, this is one of the best phone right now you can buy under 30,000 taka. If you are thinking about getting new phone, this is the perfect choice for you. It's even better than Samsung A51 and Xiaomi phones. So definitely check this phone out if you are getting a new phone or buying a new phone for the year end. And here's the good news: you can get this device, you can be the one of the lucky winner. So I'm giving the all the description in the next video. So that's for it now, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. I'm oheduzzamanx and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.